Namaste dear student and parent. My name is Srinivas. By qualification I have done my postgraduate in engineering and I am a certified career counselor. In this video I am going to explain you in detail about our collaboration with your institute. Our services will surely help you in building your career. Now let me explain you in detail by sharing this presentation. So as I have said, it is about Smart Sutra collaborating with your institute. Smart Sutra is a part of Smart Coaching Academy. As you can see, more than 500 students have voted us 5-star in Just Dial and around 263 students and parents have voted us 4.9 stars in Google. So, we are highly rated institute in the North Karnataka. Now, usually I used to do seminars in this way, where I used to do some mass seminars in engineering colleges, degree colleges. But in this COVID situation, we have learned the art of doing videos. Now, this presentation is similar to that of the presentation what I do in your colleges. But what is the drawback of that? Some of you may miss the seminar. Your parents may not know what is happening here. And if you are a parent, you will not know what your son is asking or your daughter is asking. So in this presentation, I am explaining you in a most simplest way by presenting the screen. So if you're a parent or student, you will understand what to do next. How should you prepare today? What is the importance of doing all these courses? So let me explain you in detail. Smart Coaching Academy, the website is smartsutra.in. We have 3 services. 1, Smart Skills for Smart Skills training. Smart Sutra for competitive exams. These 2 services can be experienced either online or offline. Now for online courses, you can download our app called Smart Sutra and experience whole lot of free videos also, and also you can take a lot of mock tests for free. Please download our app Smart Sutra for competitive exams and soft skill training programs. We also have one more service called Smart Career Goals. Here, through artificial intelligence based psychometric test, we tell you what's your top choice, good choice, optionals and careers to avoid. I'll explain that in detail soon. Now let me tell you one story. This story is a famous story, but I am presenting it in my way. This story is about 2 stones. In one village, they wanted to build a new temple of Ganeshji. They go and meet a person who makes deities out of stones. So that person, it could be a Murtikar, he goes in search of a stone. So the Murtikar goes into the jungle. He searches for the whole day and he finds one stone, and he could recognize which stone is good for the need of the village. Now he removes all his tool and he starts to hit the stone, but the stone replies, "Please don't hit me." Then the Murtikar explains what he is going to do with that stone now. The stone says, "Since years I am like this and I am comfortable. Don't change me." He explains more that if I change you, the whole village will come and offer you fruits, offer you garlands. They will come, they'll pray in front of you. The stone says no. Then he moves. He moves to some distance and he finds another stone. This is that stone. And that stone agrees to get deformed. So finally he starts hitting it in right force, in right direction, and he changes that stone into Ganeshji's Murti. Now he goes to village and says, "The Ganeshji's Murti is ready. Please come, let us bring it to the village." So they bring it and the whole village celebrates. Now when the celebration is happening, everyone wanted to break coconut. So they wanted a stone, a good stone, where coconut can be broken for the entire day. Now the Murtikar says that there is one stone which is idle and you can use it to break the coconut. Now all the villagers go to the jungle and bring the stone which had refused to get deformed. So they bring and they keep it in the temple and everyone break their coconut on this stone. Now this stone sees that the Ganeshji's Murti. Now the Ganeshji Murti was a stone and this stone says, "Arey, you are being offered so many things. There is garland, there is so many fruits and foods offered to you. Your good days have started." The Murti replies, "This offer was given to you, but you did not take. I thank you for it. because you did not take that pain, I took the pain and everyone is offering me all these things. And because you did not take that pain, you are taking this pain. So what is the lesson to be learned in this? See, we all are living a life. We all will not die without taking any pain. So what kind of pain? It depends on us. In this age, the young age, if you take the pain of working hard, if you take the pain of sitting on one place and concentrating and studying, a day will come when the society will come and give you respect. Now imagine an IAS officer or any army officer. He gets respect in the society because he had taken pain in his younger age, and for this reason everyone will respect him. And if you don't take pain in the right age, the others will use you and give you pain. So pain is anyways there. It is like a railway bogie. You know, the destination of railway is one railway station. We all know that we are going to die one day, but the journey matters. If you don't take pain now, you may travel in general bogie. If you take a better pain, you may travel in 3-tier. And if you take more pain and upgrade yourself, you may travel in a first class bogie. So how you want to travel is in your hand. So if you take our services seriously, you may upgrade to a larger extent, and a day will come when everyone will respect you because you have upgraded in the right age. So let me explain the presentation. So the choice is yours. Do you want to just be an idle stone, or you want to convert yourself to a person where everyone will respect you because you are serving the society? So the choice is yours. So the key here is spend and invest. Now what is spend? Now when you go to a hotel, you spend money. Yeah, that is, you pay bills because you're spending. But when you invest, you take returns. Similarly, when you spend time on social media, oversleeping, doing nonsense activity. Okay, nonsense means what? Which makes no sense. Just sitting like that, just thinking of something. All this will result into paying bills. Now, what is bill? No skills, yeah, no money. You may end up asking for money, for help, yeah, no proper skills, so no job. In the other case, if you invest your time, now you are studying, you may be doing diploma or degree, yeah. If you invest your time in the right things, that is, after your college, if you learn something extra, or before your college, if you learn something extra, if you are developing yourself, the society will come and take you because you have given your time in a proper way and you have invested your time, so you have right skills. So everyone wants you. Okay, when you have skills, you will have all the jobs, you will choose your career. So the key is to invest your time. So Smart Sutra is a service for competitive exams, which is used for NRA CET, railways. Now NRA CET will be a kind of common entrance test for everyone. The full form is Common Eligibility Test, but all the graduate, or if you are in 12th standard or you have finished 10th, you all have to give one eligibility test called NRA CET. From September 2021, everyone will know what it is. So this syllabus will be useful for that also. To know more about NRA CET, you can also watch my video which is made on my YouTube channel called Srinivas Balaraju, where I've made, and also when you download my app, the video is available for free. This is also useful for railway, junior engineer, NTPC, any railway exam, this course will be useful for you. Banking like PO, clerk, SO, SSC, CGL, CHSL, MTS, SI, stenographer, FCAT, CDS, MBA, all the MBA entrance tests like CAT, CMAT, PGCET, RTO exams, KPTCL exams, KPSC exams, CLAT exams, Forest Department exams, campus placements, any government job, aptitude, reasoning and English plays a vital role. Now let me explain you the content. The contents are made in level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is a foundation course and level 2 is an advanced course. Now quantitative aptitude is made in Kannada, Marathi and English. Now we understand that quantitative aptitude is the toughest subject amongst all the subjects. And if we train you the toughest subject in your language, you will understand better. So we have made in Kannada, Marathi and English. Logical reasoning English language test, general awareness, financial and banking awareness, computer awareness, strategies to crack competitive exams, details on various competitive exams, online mock test series. All these are there in one platform of our app. Please download our app and you can see a whole lot of things for free also. And these are our students who have passed various competitive exams. They have passed in railways, insurance, bank, SSC, MBA entrance tests. They have scored well. And KPSC exams, people have become FDAs. They have also become police inspectors, PSI. Many results have been achieved in this last 4.5 years. And even you can be one. Now, contents of soft skills. Now, soft skills contents are basic or spoken English, advanced English grammar, communication skills, personality development. Now, what is the outcome of this course? This course will build confidence, fluency in English written and spoken, improves your communication skill, improves your IELTS, TOEFL and GRE scores. Like if you want to go abroad, now suddenly you'll get an opportunity and you may have to give IELTS and suddenly you hunt for coaching and you may end up getting less marks. And entrance exam form only will cost you more than 1,000. Okay, now if you keep preparing now, when you get good high score in IELTS, these days IELTS scores are used as MBA entrance test also. So prepare well today. You know, it is always said that when preparation meets opportunity, only then the success happens. If you keep waiting for the opportunity and then you start preparing, you know, the time is gone. So prepare from today. Group discussions, interview skills, body language skills, negotiation skills, time management skills, public speaking skills, email etiquettes, leadership skills, presentation skills, and many more valuable value-based life skills will be trained. This is not the syllabus, this is just the outcome. Syllabus I'll be just sharing the screen soon. Now, smart career goals, career counseling. Now you all know you are doing some course. Now you have joined this course based on some influence of peer pressure, parents, or you must have just joined this course because your friend is doing. But choosing a career is like choosing a life. So I am a certified career counselor. I use a system to do counseling. So in this service, I'll explain you about that. Now, career counseling through artificial intelligence based psychometric test. Through our system, one can know his or her most suitable career path out of 18 career clusters, 110 career paths, more than 3,000 occupations. After completion of the test, the students will know his or her top choices, good choices, optional choices, careers to avoid. Now, let me explain. Once you finish the psychometric test, what you get? You get this PDF. Now, this PDF is of a student who has just finished his psychometric test. Now, if you see at the end, you will understand what are your top choices, good choices, yeah, and also the career route map. What is the work nature of that career? If you see from top, you know, you'll understand what is your present stage of career planning, what kind of personality you are, you know. In this short video, I cannot explain the whole report. More than 30-page report every student will get. And you will also get access to our dashboard. When you visit our website, smartcareergoals.com, you can just click this section called Students Dashboard. This window will open. So you all will get ID and password like this. You can just log in and you can access this dashboard. Now, what is this dashboard? You know, this section. Now, if you see, there is my favorite career path, top choice, optional choice, and avoid. Now, all these are his top choice. Now, if you see, though he is an engineer, if you see, there is no engineering job for him. Yeah, clinical psychology, hotel management, professor, IPS officer, professional sales, marketing, and on the top you can see retail management, school teaching, counseling, public relation, mass media and communication. Now, all these are not a small profile, okay? All these are good. Now, that fellow has done engineering. Now, engineering, he has a degree, but actually he cannot solve problems through his engineering skills. He can solve problems through these skills, which are inbuilt in him. So now when he gets trained by doing some vocational courses, when he gets trained for all these things, in a matter of 6 months, he can earn money in a better way. Now, if you see, you can also check your avoids. When you click on this, now, if you see these, when you click on avoid, you can see this person, big data analyst is avoid, maintenance and operation management is avoid, okay, quality control and planning is avoid, mobile app development is avoid, digital marketing is avoid, chartered accountant avoid, Indian Navy avoid. manufacturing avoid. So if you see, though he's a mechanical engineer, he has no top choice in the qualification which he has done. Okay, so that means he says that I wish I had done this career counseling when I was in my 10th or 12th. And now if you see at a very young age, when you do career counseling and your top choice is politics and international relationship. Now in this age, what is politics and international relationship, you may not understand. And even here, if you see public relation and corporate communication, these are not so famous. But when you click on this, yeah, you will understand all the colleges in India which are offering this course for graduation, for post-graduation, for PhD also. All that thing, you will get a route map here. Yeah, so you can understand how great this is for every student. Yeah. So if you see, there are 113 colleges here. Yeah, and there are online courses, some free online courses suggestion also is given. And there is one more important thing. When you go to this section on our website called Explore Various Career Opportunities, when you click here, this section will open where Career Library. What is Career Library? All the careers, whatever is there in India and abroad, you can understand. Now, when you finish your psychometric test, if you have got mass media and communication, interior designing, you will understand everything. Now, if you see mass media and communication is here, you just click here, yeah, and you'll understand what is mass media, what are the roles and responsibilities of mass media, what is the skills required, what are the career opportunities, okay, the demand, the salary, all the videos are made for it, okay, and also the colleges, the route map, yeah, for graduation, which colleges are good in India, for post graduation, yeah, all that is here. So if you are a graduate, you may feel that I wish I had done this before. But dear student, please understand, I have clients for career counseling even at the age of 45. So it is not that late. You can just come and visit our institute for career counseling, or you can talk to your placement officer or your principal. We can do collaboration for career counseling also. Now let me continue the presentation. Now, outcome of career counseling, you have seen the report. The students will know his personality type, his strength, career interest, career motivators, his learning style, emotional quotient, skills and abilities, career clusters. Finally, we recommend him his top 4 career clusters based on his psychometric score, where he has access to top careers, colleges, various entrance tests, fees, scope of career, vocational courses, and much more. Yeah, so this is the greatest boon I feel for every student. Now, daily updates through Telegram and also through our app Smart Sutra. Now, when you become a student or when you take our course through our app, we'll be adding you in a Telegram group. So daily we'll share you current affairs, general knowledge, daily English vocabulary. Daily we play quiz on Telegram at 3:30 p.m. Video links of tricks and tips on any new vacancy, like if SBI PO has released or CAT has released its forms. We tell you what are the new rules and regulations, how many vacancies, what is the fees, all the detailed videos we make and we add it there. And also latest notification will be shared. Now we also do weekly live session. Every Saturday 3:30 p.m. we come live through Zoom and we play quiz through Mentimeter app. It's a quiz app. Weekly quiz will be paid. Guest lectures, if there are any achievers, they come and speak. Doubt clearing session, we have a session where anyone can ask any doubt online. Wherever you are, you can come online and ask. You can send email also. If you're in Belagavi, you can come to our institute on Saturday and ask doubts. Motivational talk will be done. New notification, if anything has happened in the last week, we speak on that. Strategies to crack, all these are done. Now, coming to quantitative aptitude level 1, level 2 syllabus. I'll not read all because there are more than 30 topics in this section. You can take a screenshot and understand, or else you can verify also with any competitive exams you are planning. These are the subjects will be there for anything. Even if you want to become an IAS officer, this will be there in your screening test in your first exam. You want to become a bank officer, army officer, without quantitative aptitude you will not get any job. And also if you are an engineer and if you are waiting for campus placement, aptitude will always be there. So this section is made in Kannada, Marathi and English and in level 1 and level 2. Now coming to the logical reasoning section, again made in level 1, level 2. that is a foundation course and advanced course. We have made 3 categories. One is verbal, non-verbal and critical reasoning. So these are the topics under that. You can again take a screenshot of this and verify. So we have, if there is anything in reasoning, everything is here. Be it CAT, bank, SSC, everything is here. English language test. Under English language test, again made in level 1 and level 2, all the topics are covered in this segment. So you can again take a screenshot of it. So these are the topics for competitive exams. Now coming to basic English, again this is a segment in soft skill training, which is our second service. Just see the syllabus. More than 40 topics we have made for spoken English. If you are from vernacular medium, I'm sure you'll be facing problem in speaking, in writing answers, in writing letters. All those problems will be solved by this basic course. Okay, coming to the advanced English grammar. Even though you are from English medium, if you don't know grammar, you may not be fluent when you're speaking or writing some articles also. Now this course is everything about grammar. If you see, there are more than 50 topics made under this section. Okay, there are some free demo videos already available. You can check how we teach there also. So if you see, there are 56 topics, okay, made. It is not 56 videos are more, but there are 56 topics. Videos totally, there are more than 1000 videos available. Now coming to communication skills. Importance of communication skills, all these things, be it email etiquettes, letter writing, public speaking, closing skill, content writing, all these skills can be converted into a career also. So if you see, we have a lot of activities also being made. Yeah, you can enjoy these activities also. Coming to personality development, starting from power of positive thinking, knowing your strength, empathizing, goal setting, time management, presentation skills, debate, group discussion, body language. All these are, all these are high ticket courses. When you go to a metro city, for such course, people pay 20-30,000. All that will be given to you in this one course. Again, I'm saying watch demo videos. There are many demo videos already there. Now key features. We are coming to the end of the presentation. Key features are, all the videos are made in HD qualities, made in 3 languages, especially the Quant section, made in Kannada, Marathi and English. Online mock test with analysis, made for topic wise, section wise and full length. Now as a competitive exams aspirant, you all need to gauge yourself. So mock test plays a key role. Now how we have designed the course is, once you finish one topic, you have to give one mock test. Now if at all you get 90% in that subject or that topic, only then you can realize that that subject or that topic is over. Unless you get 90%, you should prepare that topic only. So once you have finished all the topic wise, then you can go to section wise, then you can go to full length mock test. Now when you buy these online mock tests from other third party companies, they charge at least 500 to 1000 rupees for all these mock tests. All these are in this one combo service of ours. As I've said, every Saturday there is doubt sessions. Courses are made in advanced, foundation, and videos are made by qualified and skilled professionals. You can enjoy that by watching demo also. Frequent guest lectures, unique ID and password. Everyone will get unique ID and password, and unique ID and password for career counseling. If at all you wish to take career counseling, you can access to the dashboard anytime you want in your life. Student will receive 30-page PDF also. And I want to tell you one important thing which is missing here. The course, when you take or when we collaborate with your college, that course is lifetime valid. It is not having any validity. Anytime in future, today you don't have time, or you may say I don't have time in this when I'm doing my graduation. Dear student, when you're doing graduation, you have time. Once you finish, you don't have time. So this is the right time to prepare, and it has no validity. Whenever you want, you can watch, you can pause, you can rewind, you can take mock test, make notes, whenever you want. Today you are not feeling like preparing, you can prepare tomorrow. For live lectures, what happens is you are not ready to listen. Then, you may not learn. But here it is all up to you. Yes, it is self-learning, self-motivation is required. For that weekly sessions, we motivate you also. But still, it's all in your hand because it's your life. Yeah. So your life is in your hand, so you can understand what to do. Now, if you want to contact us, we are here at Smart Coaching Academy, 4th floor, Mujawar Arcade, Nehru Nagar, Belagavi. You can follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and also YouTube as Smart Sutra. You can call us at 8123796188, and you can visit our website smartsutra.in. My personal website is srinivasbalaraju.com, and our career counseling website is smartcareergoals.com. Please download our app Smart Sutra. We wish to render service to you all through your institute. For more details, please contact your placement officer or your principal, and we can collaborate and give you massive discounts. We can talk to you all, you can talk to the college and decide a price. So for more details, again I'm saying, please talk to your principal, and see you all soon. Thank you.